Tired of the frustrating screen flickering issue plaguing your Google Chrome experience on Windows 11? Look no further. In this video, I'll provide you with step-by-step solutions to banish this annoyance for good. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Update your graphics card driver. Now, you can update it in 3 ways, using Windows Update from Device Manager or downloading it from the device manufacturer's website. Method 1. To update your graphics driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update any outdated driver, including your graphics driver. Method 2. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. To do this, type Device Manager in the search box and click to open it. Then, click on the little arrow in front of Display Adapters to expand it. Next, right-click on your graphics card name and select Update Driver. Then, click on Search Automatically for drivers. Device Manager will update your graphics driver if there are any available updates. After it finishes, close the tab. Method 3. You can also visit your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the updated graphics driver from there. After downloading and installing the latest driver, reboot your computer and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Disable smooth scrolling. To do this, open up the Chrome browser. Now, click in the address bar and type chrome:// flags/ and hit enter. Next, type in smooth in the search bar and you will find smooth scrolling in the result. Now, click on the box that says default and select disabled from the drop-down menu. Now, hit the relaunch button and check if that helped. Solution 3. Disable hardware acceleration. Open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the 3-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. And then click on Settings from here. Once in the settings, click on System from the left side menu. Then toggle off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Next, hit that relaunch button and the issue should be gone. So that's how you fix the screen flickering issue in Google Chrome on your computer. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.